Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to use the control panel on your iPad with iOS 7. With the most recent update to your iPad, a great new feature has been added called the control panel. It easily swipes up from the bottom of the screen no matter where you are. On this control panel are music player settings, volume settings, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, and lock the screen rotation. You also have timer controls, camera controls, and a brightness slider here at the bottom. So features that you access all the time can now be accessed from swiping up from the bottom and bringing up your control panel. And it'll even show up in any apps that support the control panel. So you could be inside of an application, for example. Let's go into the weather app. And if I swipe up from the bottom in that app, you can see I just get more weather information. So that app's not supported. But there are applications that do support the control panel. Now let's go into settings and take a look at the different settings allowed for the control panel. So tap your settings icon. And the control panel or the control center has its own section of settings. So tap Control Center. And let's look at the two simple settings that are available. Do you want to be able to access your control panel when your iPad's locked and you're on that lock screen? If yes, make sure that this is tapped on, just like shown here. Do you want to be able to access it when you're inside of applications? So tap on, as shown here. However, you may find that you inadvertently swipe up from the bottom when inside of an app, and bringing up your control panel may not really be what you want. So if you find that your control panel's popping up more than you want to see it inside of applications, just go back into your settings and turn off access within applications. Makes it very easy. But the control panel is just a fantastic tool that you'll find yourself using all the time, and you won't have to go into settings and dig for those settings that we showed on your control panel. So I'm going to go back to my home screen. Again, I'm going to swipe up from the bottom, and you can see my control center or my control panel. So this is a great new feature, and I think you'll find that you use it quite a bit. If you have any questions, please email info@getturnertime.com. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.